Right, let me zoom you in. We've made it better. So it's never going to be brilliant, remember that. We're certainly out. Right, so that piece needs to be hammered down a bit because there's still a crease. Yeah, we got a big hole here obviously from a bit of tearage, and then we need to, is that a bend? I don't actually know. Is that a purpose? Yeah, it is a purpose bend. Looking at the other side, it's not so pronounced as that, so that might have to come out a bit. Pretty sure that's gotta go down. Anyway, I'm gonna bash some of that down. Doesn't help having this bloody in the way. If that wasn't in the way, it wouldn't be so half as bad. We still need something to yank it down with. That's what we could have done with. Still got a bit of bending. Bends so much more easier when it's under stress. Sorry if you can hear that annoying whine. It's typical rover. It has this annoying whine. Well, whatever that noise is, it's bloody irritating. Let me think. Right, there we are. Wow, I'm going to weld these bits up. Little hole. There's a bit of a crease, you know, it is what it is. It's definitely back to normal, if you really call it normal, but it's not the end of the world. And the bend is out. Obviously I made that to get the rope in. That's from the crash bit. It's not that bad. I'm going to weld that bit up, seam seal it. There's a little bit behind there just to push back. Wind always picks up when I want to film. So I'm going to try and repair the old lights. Let me show you. So because I'm being super cheap on this build, as you know it's a Rover, so it just isn't, it's not worth it. So I'm going to fix it all on the cheap, not buying parts. Well, apart from the wing, I didn't have a choice to buy that, but like these bits somewhere, no that's not it. Well, I'm going to seal that up. That's actually just a hole. Where's it gone? So that's the crash side, so the lugs are broke. Lugs are rear. I'll see if I can try and find a lug kit. If not, I'll just glue them back on. I'm going to hot staple them. And that's the passenger side. There's a lug broke on that one. But anyway, I'm going to repair them and then see how we get on with repairing them. But what I was trying to do is, prior to having this accident, this car's already had a little pring. I just want to pull it out. I noticed it. If you looked on the first video when I did the walk around, the bumper here was a bit wonky. It's because this bit's been pushed in. I don't think it's anything to do with that accident. It's just obviously something done before. But I'm just going to straighten this bit out.